Alright, well, good afternoon again. For this spread, I decided to go back to my old tripod and just work around it, because I just don't think that that little one on the table is going to work very well. But I am going to cover the prongs up with maybe this washi tape right here. It's pretty. Got some mushrooms and leaves and maybe a butterfly or two, some flowers. So let's go ahead and do that first. And I think I'll just kind of do it like that. That will keep it from falling out of the hole and cover it up so it looks nice. So last week sometime, I don't even remember what date this was. I didn't take any pictures, so I don't remember the date of this, but it was a senior citizens information fair put out by the Office for the Aging. So I got some information about signing up for Medicare, and there was apparently a place where people who are old like me can go and take classes, go on day trips and stuff like that. So I took the information from that, and I got a couple of business cards. Also, we live in a college town, and there's two colleges where we live. One of them offers classes for seniors too. So what I'm going to do is put all these business cards in here. And I'm going to put this one in the front because it's the prettiest. It's got the butterfly on it. And I'm going to put that down right here. I don't know if this will fit in there, but I might make it fit in there because I don't want to glue it down because every side has something on it. Although the business card has the hours and everything on it, so maybe I could just glue it. I think I will just glue this side down or tape it down. And I'll put this over here and this over here, and I think that should do it. And then I think it was on Monday, so I think I'll just go ahead and put that date down for that Monday. Let me get this. I'm going to go ahead and put the tape on the back of that. Alright, I've got all my tapes on. I'm going to kind of do that and pull the tape off and get that put down. I have a lot of little activities that I'm trying to get caught up on because I haven't really felt like doing much. I don't know why. I do get a little bit depressed this time of year. But maybe that's why. I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and put this like this. And I'll put this on the outside. And we'll put this up here. Oh, I think I need to do this. So that's going to go like that. Also realizing that, I mean, obviously I know how old I am, but it's very weird getting old. And you don't feel old. I mean, your body might feel old, but your mind doesn't feel old. I still feel like I always did. But now I'm one of the old people, and it's weird. Alright, so that's going to go there. And, what day was Monday anyway? I'm going to have to find that out too. What did I say? If that must have been September 11th. So let's go ahead and change the date back to 11 on here. And put that like that. And I think that I was going to call this the Senior Citizen Information Fair. And the saddest thing, I mean, there was a lot of nice things about this thing, but nice things about this thing. There were a lot of nice agencies at this senior citizen fair, but a lot of them were nursing homes, assisted living, planning your funeral, planning your will, and I don't know. I didn't really enjoy that part of it because, you know, at 65 and 69, we're kind of lucky if we have 20 years left. And that was kind of depressing. So I'm going to put that there. And that'll be the end of this spread. And I also have decided that with my journaling, I don't really like just blank pieces of undecorated or unprinted paper. I don't know. So I don't think I'm going to be including any of those kinds of papers anymore. Also, I'm not keen on the coffee dyed papers. I don't like blank papers, really. I can use them for embellishments and stuff, but honestly, I really just like using scrapbook papers, so that's what I think I'm going to do from now on. Well, that's it for today. I've documented my senior citizen fair, and I think we'll just close now and say goodbye. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're happy and healthy. And I'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.